Footprints are prints left in soil or any other surface by either a barefoot footprint or shoe print. They are as important as a fingerprint because skin patterns of toes and heels are as distinctive and permanent as those of fingers. Medical importance as a tool for identification by comparing size and other various peculiarities of foot like a flat foot, supernumerary toes, scars or callosities. Hospital take a footprint of newborn to prevent exchange and substitution of infants. Now whether person was standing or walking. Walking is larger than standing. On run or running. Only anterior part of the footprint. Identify the sex of person from footprint ratio. Maximum foot width divided by maximum foot length. Now weight of the person by estimating the depth of the footprint in yielding surfaces, hard, sand, mud, etc. Footprints are produced on a soft and loose material like sand is smaller, and on mud or dry surface is larger than the foot. Thank you.